Hello class, this is Miss Babita. Welcome back to our online EVS class. On this class, we will solve the question answer part of the chapter organ system that help us move. So one number question is write short answer. Which one of the skull can move? So answer is the lower jaw of the bone of the skull. The lower jaw bone of the skull is can move. Second is what is a joint? A joint is where two parts of the body are joined, is called joint. Then third question is what are the voluntary muscles? So answer is the muscles which are joined to the bone are called voluntary muscles. Fourth number is name the organ of the nervous system. So answer is brain, spinal cord and nerves are the organs of the nervous system. 5 number is what does the spinal cord do? So answer is spinal cord tells the body what to do when we need to act quickly. Spinal cord tells the body what to do when we need to act quickly. Okay. Then B number, explain in few lines what job does the skeletal system have. Skeletal system का काम कौन कौन सा है? So skeletal system is it is the frame around which our whole body is built. So skeletal system पूरा बॉडी में जो शेप होता है skeletal systems की मदद से ही हम लोग पा पाते हैं. तो आंसर होगा skeletal system gives shape and support to our body. It protects the soft organs inside our body. It helps us to move. What is a ball and socket joint? So answer is the joint which lets us move most freely is called ball and socket joint. In this type of joint, the end of one bone is shaped like a ball. This fits into a bowl-like socket in the other bones. Then, what is a hind joint? Give an example. So, answer is the joint which allow the part of the body, the joint to move back and forth only. Example is the joint of knee, ankle and elbow. Okay. Then 4 number question is how do muscles make bones move? So answer is when the muscle attached to a bone contract, it pulls the bone and make it move. Muscles generally work in pairs. If a muscle attached to a bone contract to pull it up, its partner contract to pull it back down. And also when one muscle contract, its partner relaxes. 5 number is how does exercise help our muscles? So answer is when we exercise, our muscles need more food and oxygen. The heart and exercise make muscles exercise makes our muscles strong. With this manner, our heart sends this heart have to do more work. So in this manner, heart sends this by pumping more blood to the muscles. The muscles grow thicker and stronger using the extra food and oxygen. This was the answer. Okay. C number, fill in the blanks. Muscles are attached to bones by dash. A rubbery tissue, that is tendon, T-E-N-D-O-N. The bones of the spines are called dash. Answer is vertebra. Bones of the spine are called vertebrae or vertebra. The collarbone attached to the shoulder bone to the breastbone. Dash pairs of ribs make up the rib cage. Answer is 12 pairs of rib make up the rib cage. The spinal cord is a thick bunch of dash nerves. Okay. Then D number, write true or false. All the ribs are attached to the spines and the breastbone. फॉल्स जो दो रिब है नीचे में वो ब्रेस्ट बोन के साथ अटैच नहीं है तो फॉल्स होगा. द मसल्स इन आवर हार्ट एंड फूड पाइप आर वॉल्यूंटरी मसल्स. नो, दीज आर इनवॉल्यूंटरी मसल्स. द ब्रेन एंड स्पाइनल कॉर्ड सेंड मैसेज थ्रू नर्वस. ट्रू. देन 4 नंबर, देर आर 15 bones in the thumb and finger of one's hand. No, it's 14. So it's false. The forearm has 2 bones. It's true. So with this, your today's class is over. You have to do this question answer on your EVS note. Thank you.